Hello again, this is Damien from FixWinPC, and today we are on the road. Yes, back on the grind, back in Trinidad. Glad to be here. It's been a year and change since I've been here. So yeah, we're back on the grind. So today's work entails changing our power supply for our client, and if all goes well, we get all the cameras that went down to come back online. Nothing too major, just a simple swap out. So when I get there, I will continue. Alright, see you there. Alright, so at the client site here, we just had to replace um, this power supply. Right? The old one, the fuse blew inside, the capacitor went, so we just replaced the whole thing, and now it is back up and running. We also made adjustments to the HDMI extender, as that was replaced as well, and now we have the cameras back up and running. Alright, so we had this monitor that was not transmitting signal from the original source of the DVR. We use extenders to extend the signal. So what you notice on extenders is that these switches here are very important, and it has a distance guidance on the back. So you can use the distance guidance to average the length of the cable and then adjust the switches, the dip switches, accordingly.